Hi, welcome to the Ham Radio Tips YouTube channel again. If any of you have downloaded the new FT2 this week and you're having difficulty getting it running, this is probably the video for you. Let's go to the desktop. Now, if you've downloaded it, you were given instructions to download wsjt and this file here called Decodium FT2. Okay, now you install the wsjt and then you unzip the Decodium into the wsjt folder. Now mine is, let's have a look in this PC, Windows, wsjt down here, as you can see on the left, wsjt-x. Okay. So what we're going to do is you right click on the Decodium file, extract all, and then it gives you a location and you change that to wsjt folder. So in this case, C wsjt-x. Okay, and that's where it goes. And you click select folder, there's C wsjt-x, and just click extract all. Now I've already done mine, so I already know it works. Okay, so once you've unzipped it into the wsjt folder, if you go to wsjt-x and launch it, it comes up on the old version. Mine at the moment is, I've been listening to 40 meters today, so just go to 7074 FT8, and as you can see there is no FT4 in there at all, and I think that's been confusing a few people. What you're actually supposed to do is go to your wsjt-x folder and install it from there, or launch it from there I should say. So if we look inside the wsjt-x folder, down the bottom here is wsjt-x. I installed this on the 19th and it's the 22nd today, so I put it in a few days ago. And if we launch that, we get the hideously coloured new version. Saying this is pre-release documentation, blah blah blah, and I will just tune my radio to 7052 and we should start picking up and decoding the new FT2. Let's have a listen, and there you can see it's starting to come through. It's an awful colour. But that is FT2, and from there you can just do all the normal things you want to do. Have QSOs, as you can see there's loads of people on there already. I installed it, made one QSO and switched it off, did like the colour scheme, and until QRZ and LOTW actually include this within their own systems, I won't use it. I'll leave it until they're updated. I don't think it's in QRZ yet. I looked the other day, it wasn't there. But there's plenty of time for it. It's just another mode. You know, it's FT8 is still more popular than FT4, and this one, even though it's an evaluation version, it seems quite popular, but whether it lasts, I don't know. But if you're having installation problems, I know a few of you were on Facebook, then that's the way to do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy your FT2, and hopefully I'll work it on there one day myself. 73s.